Kriti Sahi. This is a requested video about Uptan Vedic recipe, and this is for the crystal turpy. Coming to Uptan, everyone knows about Uptan. Of course, being an Indian, you might have known about Uptan. This is from the Vedic time onwards. It was believed that Vedic physicians has prescribed this Uptan to the young boys and girls for making their skin nourished and refreshing and for clear crystal skin. So Uptan is a general mixture of some turmeric, sandalwood, saffron, bengal gram and mustard oil and some mustard flower seeds with water or oil. So that mixture is used to apply all over the body or face, and that used to massage the bell for a glowing, refreshing and nourished skin, where that result has widespread during the Vedic time. It almost became a ritual for every bride and bridegroom among every youngsters to use Uptan, especially on the auspicious time. So Gen X and above generations do have the pleasure of Uptan, that is homemade. Yes guys, our grandmas, they used to have this Uptan bath at auspicious days and during festive time, homemade. Whatever the ingredients which I told you for the Vedic time onwards, especially the main ingredient used to be bengal gram flour with sandalwood and oil, the mustard. So coming to this video, this is a requested video of one of my subscribers for this review of Uptan Vedic recipe with crystal turpy. So this has released by this Susgard Soul, and this is said to be the herbal and organic product, and this came in this test tube, and this costs 150 grams costs you around 650 rupees. So here is a cork, the tight cork, so that there will be no air or any other dust particles go inside, so that it will be protected, because Uptan is something which have the natural ingredients. If you are careless and if any moisture is there in that, the powder will be definitely attacked by some germs and bacteria will be grown inside. That is the reason it was advised to keep this mixture when you purchase it from any other brands, not homemade products, because homemade you can make it at the time of your taking or you're preparing to have a Uptan bath. But when you are not having that time and you wanted to depend on these herbal products, then you have to keep them safe. Especially I do refrigerate this. I do generally keep this only in refrigerators. So coming to this Uptan has not given any ingredients what are there, especially this Susgard Soul, and they have only provided us with the phone number and their Facebook page and their Gmail, except that there is nothing about the ingredients list. Coming to this, the smell is so herbal, and it is taking me to all the herbal roots and all. It is giving some strong smell of herbal. And for dry skin people, it is advised to mix this Uptan. You can see this powder of Uptan. For dry skin people, it is advised to mix this Uptan with oil because of your dry skin. If your skin is oily skin, do not go for oil. Better mix with rose water or a normal water. And if you have a combination skin like mine, better you go with only water or rose water. So now I'm going to test this product by mixing this with just a few drops of water. I have taken some water in this bowl, and now I'm going to take a few drops only, because Uptan can be mixed according to your desired consistency. It can have running consistency, or you can make it a paste. See, I just dropped only a few drops and I got this consistency, which is easy to apply. So apply this Uptan on your face or entire body, and you can have this two ways of application. You can just simply apply on your body like this, and you can simply massage it thoroughly, and you can simply wash it off with your warm water or cold water. Better to go for warm water, that gives you refreshing. And if you want another technique, you can apply this on your body, leave it for at least 5 minutes until it dries, then simply pour some little moisture skin and massage it well, and you can get the clean, refreshing, rejuvenating skin. So you can check it out here. So I have made this consistency, and I'll leave it like this for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I'm going to massage this well and scrub it well. After that, I'm going to wash it off to get a neat and all the dust free and moisture skin, so which gives us the rejuvenation, especially for the skin. That is the basic specialty and use of Upton. If you want, you can also have a homemade Upton by taking Bengal gram of 1 cup according to the product which you wanted to use, only for face or body, and mix some powder of sandalwood powder and saffron. Add some mustard oil or mustard seeds powder, and to that you can also add some coconut oil, the fresh coconut oil, so that you can make it as a paste and you can go ahead for the Upton of same thing. You can check it here, it's going to dry. I'm getting the tight sensation when it is drying. So after it dries, I simply wash it off. So it almost came to dry. So now at this position, I will gently give a massage. So it also good for your body muscles. So you can make a circular movement like this. So you can check it out, it's so dry. So that's why it's leaving the flakes. So you can massage it for a few minutes. So once you're done, you simply wash it out with water. So I'm going to wash with some water here. So after washing, you can check it out. So here you can see I'm just cleaning one down with this cloth. See this? I can feel this soft and nourished skin. Even it looks moist. You may not clearly observe it's on hand, but you can really observe the results very well on your face. But I can feel this very smooth and soft, and I enjoy this. And there is some very mild smell of the herbs still after washing, because I just washed with water, I didn't put any soap. And one more thing, do not put soap when you use Upton, because it again take off the moisturizer. So guys, that's about this basic review and about this Upton Vedic therapy with crystal therapy. Actually, the crystal therapy means it claims to give a crystal clear skin. So I recommend you to use any Upton if not this Vedic therapy, because it gives you your nourished and moisturized skin, and it is good to use before the night which you are going to attend for party. Then use it today night, and so that you will have the rejuvenating skin. So that's about this review about this Upton by Susaid Soul of Vedic recipe with crystal therapy. So if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and do subscribe if you are not a subscriber, and leave your comments below. And if you have any product to be reviewed or any video to be made, please leave a comment below. So I do definitely make a video on that. So till then, take care. Adios.